students, good topic, that is parallelogram law of vectors, very important for of the physics topic, and it will be used in lot of numericals. Parallelogram law of forces. If the two vectors means maybe force due to charges, maybe force due to gravitation. Okay, if two vectors represented with magnitude and direction along the two adjacent side of the parallelogram drawn from a common origin. Okay, then the third vector called resultant vector represented with magnitude and direction along the diagonal of the parallelogram, and all three vectors start from the same point. Now here consider big triangle, then small triangle. These two triangles can use, and hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square per base square formula we can use, and you will see the value of DC will be cancelled out. You have to go in this way. Okay, so from triangle OCD, OCD means this is a OCD, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus a height square. So OB plus BD, it is called OB plus BD का whole square. So this is called OB plus DB का whole square. तो कहाँ गया? ये रहा ऊपर. OB plus DC. It is OB plus DC. Okay. So put the formula A plus B whole square, and this is called OD. It is called OD. And what is OD? OD is OB plus BD. Okay. Now OB plus BD whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. In this way you can solve this, and take another triangle, and then BC square is equal to this square plus this square. Get the value of DC square, you will get the value of BD square, you will get the BC square minus DC square, and put this BD value in this equation. Now this will be cancelled out, you will get this equation. Now another problem is, we know that OA is P vector, OC is P vector, but BD is nothing. BD is nothing. So we will use the formula cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. You will get BC. BC is what? That is P. So you will get all values. OA is equal to P, OB is equal to Q, BD is equal to P cos theta, and OC is equal to R. Put all values, you will get this value R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Bye bye students. Subscribe करो, like करो, comment करो. Have a nice time.